PiNetwork has been one of the most talked about cryptocurrencies in recent years. With millions of users mining Pi, the biggest question remains, what is one Pi really worth? Is it a hidden crypto gem, or is it all just speculation? Stay with us as we dive into Pi's price potential, market impact, and its future in the crypto world. What is PiNetwork? A quick recap. Before we get into price predictions and market value, let's quickly go over what PiNetwork actually is. PiNetwork was created to make cryptocurrency mining more accessible. Unlike Bitcoin, which requires expensive hardware and consumes massive energy, Pi allows users to mine by simply tapping their phones daily without draining their battery. It operates on the Stellar Consensus Protocol, which means no energy-intensive mining. But just because it's easy to mine, does that mean it has any real value? Pi coin price speculation, the big debate. Now let's talk about the price of Pi. If you've searched for PiNetwork price online, you might have seen values ranging from $0.01 to over $300 per Pi. But here's the truth. Pi is not yet tradable on major exchanges. That means any price speculation right now is purely based on OTC, over-the-counter, trading or unofficial marketplaces. Some communities claim to trade Pi at $10, $50, or even $314 per coin. But is this realistic? Let's analyze the key factors that could determine Pi's actual value in the future. Factors affecting Pi's potential value. 1. Exchange listings and liquidity. For Pi to gain true market value, it needs to be listed on major exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, or KuCoin. As of now, Pi's mainnet is still enclosed, meaning users can't freely trade or withdraw their Pi. Once the open mainnet launches, Pi holders will finally be able to buy, sell, and trade Pi on global crypto exchanges. That's when we'll see its true market price. 2. Supply and demand. Pi's value will also depend on the basic economic principle of supply and demand. Millions of users have been mining Pi for free, which means there's a high supply. But will there be enough demand to balance it out? If too many people sell their Pi at once, the price could drop significantly. However, if demand for Pi grows through real-world adoption and exchange listings, the price could rise. Real-world utility. One major factor that could give Pi value is its real-world use case. Right now, there are businesses in China, Vietnam, Nigeria, and other countries accepting Pi as payment for goods and services. If more merchants and online platforms start accepting Pi as a payment method, it could significantly increase its value. But without an open market, these transactions remain limited for now. 4. Pi's ecosystem growth. PiNetwork is not just a cryptocurrency, it's aiming to be a full-fledged ecosystem. With apps, smart contracts, and decentralized finance, DeFi, features in development, Pi's value could grow as its ecosystem expands. PiNetwork price predictions, realistic expectations. Now let's discuss the realistic price predictions for Pi once it hits exchanges. Experts have different views, but here are 3 possible scenarios. Scenario 1. Low-end prediction, $0.1 to $1 per Pi. If Pi is listed with a large supply and low demand, it could start trading between 10 cents and $1, similar to early-stage altcoins. Scenario 2. Mid-range prediction, $5 to $20 per Pi. If Pi gains traction and gets listed on multiple exchanges, we could see a price between $5 and $20 depending on market sentiment. Scenario 3. High-end prediction, $100 plus per Pi. If Pi's ecosystem grows rapidly, with mass adoption and limited supply due to staking or burning mechanisms, we could see a price of $100 or more. However, this is highly speculative. What's next for PiNetwork? So what's the future of PiNetwork? The core team has promised an assured open mainnet launch. Once regulatory compliance is met, this means Pi could finally be tradable on major exchanges. Here's what needs to happen for Pi to gain true value. Step 1. Open mainnet launch. Step 2. Exchange listings, Binance, Coinbase, etc. Step 3. Mass adoption and business integrations. Step 4. Continued development of the Pi ecosystem. The success of Pi depends on these key factors. Will it hit $100, $1,000, or stay at zero? Only time will tell. Final thoughts. What do you think? Now we turn the question to you. What do you think Pi's real value is? Are you optimistic about its future, or do you think it's overhyped? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more crypto insights. See you in the next one. Double